How to use AccuWeather's minute-by-minute forecast. Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. Today in this video, I will guide you on how to use AccuWeather's minute-by-minute forecast. So now let's get started. First of all, launch the AccuWeather app or website on your mobile device. Now on the app, search for your location and slide to the minute-by-minute forecast. This will view you minute-by-minute updates for temperature, rain, and many more. Now, you can plan your day based on real-time weather changes with the help of AccuWeather's minute-by-minute forecast. So this is a simple and straightforward process. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.